In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Discord account. First of all, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and let's get started. Go to Discord, click on register. I want to create account using an email, so click email. Just write your email here. Click next. Pick a username. I want to pick discover. Choose a password. Press next. Then choose your date of birth. Click on confirm. Create an account. This one. Yeah. We need to choose a profile picture. Pick one of those if you want. I want to pick this one. Next. Allow chamber number email. Next. And yeah, congratulations, you just create your own Discord account in only 1 minute. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.